Does your truck suffer from a serious squat issue when you're towing a trailer, even a mildly light one? This is a problem that we've had with this F-150, and it's something that I want to solve today. So what exactly is the problem? Well, this truck has had a leveling kit installed on it. That makes the front sit about 2 inches higher than factory. And when the truck is unloaded, it sits perfectly level. But as soon as I put the trailer on, the back end sags quite a bit, and I suffer from quite a bit of sway as well. And I started to look at different options for solving the sagging, squatting problem in the rear and also that sway. Now, most people would turn directly to airbags as a solution, and airbags have worked really great for a lot of years. But there's a number of problems with that solution, most notably the cost. They are expensive to buy, they're also expensive to install, and they're actually quite difficult to maintain. You see, on top of the air spring itself, you also need to add air lines, and most people look for an onboard compressor. Now, you can save a little bit of cost if you add an external compressor or just carry it around, a cigarette plug compressor, which you can pump up on the go. But then there's also continuously monitoring the amount of pressure that you have in your air springs and trying to keep that ride height exactly right for each condition. But something that people are starting to discover more recently are products like these. Now, this is called the SES, or a suspension enhancement system, by companies such as Timbren. Now, there are two kinds of suspension enhancement systems, Timbren being one of the more popular ones, and a lot of people have reviewed these to other similar styles. But today we're just going to look at exactly what is the Timbren SES kit, what's included in the package, and why is it supposedly the solution that you might be looking for. We're going to review all of that in this video. Before I get too far into the video though, I should mention that we are not going to be doing an install of the SCS system today in this video. If you do want to check out the actual install, I do have a different video that walks you through exactly how we installed it. And because it's not installed yet, I'm going to have a hard time telling you guys if it works or not. So in a future video, you will get my actual impressions of the system once it's been used and tested. Before we get too far into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. If you've seen some of our content already and have not subscribed, we want you to join our community. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get back to the video. So let's start by looking at what's inside this box. And first of all, you see some packaging material. We've got the SES system itself, which is really just a giant chunk of rubber, which is very firm, smells really good, and it's got a washer inside there that's jingling around. We'll look at the install in a different video to figure out what that washer is bouncing around for. But we've got two of those. We've also got these spacer pucks. Now, I think that these are for adjusting the depth of the engagement point for these things. Again, that'll be discovered on the install. But there's two of those. In this case, we've got a bracket which is marked left and another bracket which is marked not left. So I'm assuming that means the right bracket. There's a small collection of bolts that are going to be used for the install. and the very, very basic install procedure, which we explore in a different video. There's also this, which is welcome to the Timbren family, and a scannable QR code, which you can pause the video and scan that if you want to check it out. And if you have questions, you can contact the sales at Timbren between Monday and Friday, 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Now, how does this differ from an airbag system? Well, mostly this is a very thick, dense rubber compound that installs in the same place as where your bump stops would be on your truck normally. And this just allows it so that when you start to load the truck down, it engages onto this thick rubber, which still does have a certain amount of cushion to it to allow your suspension to still work properly, but it reduces a significant amount of sag and a lot of the sway that you might experience when you're towing under load. Now, why would you want this over an airbag system? Well, we already talked about how airbag systems are quite expensive to purchase, they're hard to maintain, and you never know if you've got them quite set up right. This system, you install it one time, it's always there, and there's no adjustments to make. There's no airlines to maintain, there's no bladders to make sure you don't have any leaks, there's no onboard compressors or offboard compressors, and everything's managed through this one single dense rubber product. So the results that I'm seeing online are mostly that this is actually a really good product. I'm going to give it a try this weekend after I've installed it. So if you're curious what my thoughts are after the install and after using them, make sure to check out that other video. But today, I just wanted to highlight an option that many people are looking at, and it's one that we're going to look at ourselves and have some first-hand experience. If this is a system that might be good for you, or you think might be good for you, you can go ahead and click the link down below to pick up one for yourself. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.